Good morning and welcome back. We woke up to icy rain and then look at that. Everything is frozen. The road, the driveway, the grass. So it's not like the best kind of snow you want. It's not snow, it's ice. But it's not safe to drive outside.
Snowy ice.
Yeah, it's snowy ice.
Yeah,
So,
and there's a lot of snow on the roof.
yeah, there's a lot of snow on the roof as well.
And also so on the cars.
And on the cars. So as you guys can see, I'll go out and show you guys in a little bit, but there are chances of losing power. So that's why we all took bath quickly. Snowstorm, baby.
Snowstorm is starting.
Yeah, so we all took bath and then I'm gonna go get ready, go downstairs and give me breakfast.
Forever.
And Dad is taking forever in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
And how time is he gonna come out?
He's gonna come out anytime now. Can you get the hot chocolate from the pantry? Yeah? You sure?
You're pushing me backwards.
You're pushing him backwards. Go. Okay, I'll tell you not to do it again. Okay?
Okay, I won't do it again, Arden.
Here, balloon. Here you go. Come on.
The sky is in the sky.
Good boy.
Yay!
Making him a hot cheese sandwich and some hot chocolate.
So getting dark. Delicious.
Sandwich is ready and
Look how it's getting tasty.
we were watching a movie last night called
Oh yeah. Whoa, which movie?
yeah, you were sleeping that time, mister.
What?
Yeah, I forgot the name, but there's Kriti Sanan, whatever, and the other actor. But it was a pretty good movie. We only saw halfway. We finished the half tonight. It's the turmeric, amla, ginger water that we drink every morning. It's like a cube. I make it in a concentrate way, and then I just dissolve it with hot water and drink it. We drink it every morning. It's like very good for your immunity, very good for your skin, because it has amla, it has turmeric, it has ginger, good for your stomach. It's overall good, basically. Did I did? Let's try a little bit. Was it hot?
No.
Okay, here. Marshmallow. Your marshmallow goes in your mouth.
No, I'll go with order and.
Okay, just one. Good? Okay, now Iron is gonna go enjoy his breakfast. Before that, let me open the blinds here so my plants can get some light. We had to bring some plants inside like since the winter started, like from October, because they won't survive outside otherwise, like the curry plant and all of stuff. But let's go out. Oh, it's still snowing right now, a little bit. Wow. People have started cleaning their driveway already. Oh my god, let me show you. It's so slippery. It is so slippery. All ice. There's no snow, it's all ice. Look at that. And all the grass is frozen. All ice. And look at that. The whole road is frozen. Anyways, let's go back inside. I'm just grateful that we still have power and we still have hot water. That's the main important thing. We have like our 11-month home appointment coming, and that basically means that if there are any cracks or nail pops or paint chip off, like any of the, what do you call it, baby? Like any of the
Like cracks.
Yeah, cracks and all. Anything that you want to get it fixed in the house, you can blue tape it, and they will come in a day and they'll do everything for you. And that's it basically. So we have our appointment next month in Feb, but we are gonna go for our trip, which we haven't told you guys where we are going, which I will tell in like a few other vlogs. But yeah, so before that, because we will come back and then we'll have just 1 day gap, and then the appointment is the other day basically. So that's why we have to blue tape the house wherever we see nail pops or cracks or paint chip off or door and all those things, whatever we need to get fixed basically. So we have today and the next whole week to do it before we go on our vacation. So hopefully we do some today, and yeah. Use green tape for drywall and anything for drywall and nail pops, and anything with water sealing like caulking stuff, we have to use the
Green tape.
blue tape.
Opposite.
No baby, I just read your message. Using color coded paint is green for nail pops and drywall concerns, and blue for caulking.
Oh, green for nail pops.
Yeah, so we have to do green.
Okay.
Making Korean noodles. I'm making Korean noodle for lunch because it's quick and instant, and it's soupy and it's warm. I guess that's why. And for Aiden, I'm making mac and cheese.
Pizza.
Mac and cheese.
Alright, mac and cheese.
We're done blue taping and green taping the house. We just have to do one final things at the end, like 1 day before they come. But most of it is done. And this is a new thing that I started. I chopped up all the green onion and I put them in the zippy bags and put them in the freezer. So whenever I want, I always take some out, and they always stay separated. I just take them out and add it to my food, because otherwise I've noticed that they go bad very fast in the fridge. So that's why this is the perfect way to store them. Yeah. This is
It was too loud.
non-alcoholic ginger beer. Let's try it. Very good beer. Have you tried this?
I am napkin.
Yes. It's good spicy.
Delicious. Mayang is prepping dinner. It is 5 o'clock. He's making butter paneer, while Aiden is taking a quick little nap because he wasn't feeling too well. And I made coffee for everybody, black coffee. And we are just chilling at home, like literally, because we cannot go out. Initially we did not want to cook at home, so we were like, from where can we order dinner? But nobody is delivering food today. So the next best option was to make dinner at home.
We're not eating something just like anything. We're literally eating garlic naan and butter paneer.
Yeah, garlic naan. We have frozen garlic naan, and we're gonna eat butter paneer with that. So yeah.
Alright guys, so we were testing if our fire pit light will still get turned on. It's covered with snow. See, it's all covered with snow. But look at that light. We made this fire pit ourselves.
Yeah.
If you guys want to know more, comment below and I'll let you know how to build this fire pit. Yes, baby. Okay. There it is.
Alright, I am sitting down for dinner. I have my garlic naan here, and then Matar paneer. Matar paneer that Mayang made. Look at that.
Let me show you the real deal.
Yeah. Yes, baby.
This is the Matar paneer.
So you get nothing.
And it came out so well that we'll find out from her once she tastes.
Yeah.
ये तो मेरा आज तो कब बनाते हैं इसका और इंद्री
So good. Alright, I'm gonna go put Aiden to sleep. And we'll be ending the vlog here. But I hope you guys had an amazing day. And we also did have an amazing day. Amazing icy day. It also started snowing. But it was more like a ice rain.
Still happening.
Still?
Yeah.
And it's extremely cold outside, like extremely cold. So we literally stepped out to see the weather and that's it. And I could barely hear any cars also going today, so yeah. Well, I'm gonna see you guys in our next vlog. Tomorrow Kushark is gonna go back, like he's gonna go. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow Kushark is gonna go to Netherlands because he's flying tomorrow. I don't know if the flight, today was the flight but it got cancelled. So he got it for tomorrow, but let's see if he can even go tomorrow or not. And then if not, then you're gonna see him in our vlogs, I guess. And with that, I'm gonna end the vlog. So until next time, bye bye.